Lung cancer is one of the most common types of cancer in the UK, according to the NHS, with almost 45,000 people diagnosed with the condition every year in the UK. The outlook for lung cancer patients isn't as good as many other types of cancer, the NHS reports, with 1 in 3 patients living for at least a year after their initial diagnosis. But one man is set to buck the trend and has revealed almost 3 years after his lung cancer diagnosis, he has reduced the size of his tumor in a revolutionary way. Gary Hill, 83, claims cannabidiol, CBD, oil helped to reduce the size of his tumor, one of the substances that comes from the cannabis plant and can be used as a food supplement. The Leek, Staffordshire resident was diagnosed with lung cancer in early autumn 2016 after suffering from persistent breathlessness. However, the NHS explains on its website symptoms can include a persistent cough, coughing up blood, unexplained weight loss, and struggling for breath. His oncologist gave him 6 to 12 months to live without any treatment, which he refused to maintain his quality of life. A friend advised him to look into CBD oil, and he started taking it in September last year. At the time, his lung cancer was somewhere between 30 to 40 millimeters. I took for it basically no more than a month, Hill told Express.co.uk. First of all, I took about 2 or 3 drops of CBD oil 3 times a day. He then moved on to about 9 drops twice a day. You put it under your tongue. The only downside I found was I didn't particularly like the taste of it. In November 2017, Hill had a CT scan to check on the progress of his cancer. The radiology report said there was near total resolution of the left lower lung mass, he said. Most of the lymph nodes were normal size or had been resolved. There were just 2 that were about 9 to 10 millimeters, which, as my doctor said, was probably just remnants. His doctor was amazed his cancer had shrunk, said Hill, who is now in remission. And the convert to the benefits of CBD oil is urging similar patients to try the product, which can be bought from high street health stores, including Holland and Barrett. I think people should have the opportunity to try it, he said. I don't guarantee you'll have a good result, but there's every chance that you will. It's worth trying. CBD oil is completely legal in the UK, and you can buy it at a number of high street stores. It's a type of cannabinoid, a substance derived from the cannabis plant. While you won't feel high after taking the oil, as that feeling when taking cannabis comes from the cannabinoid delta-9 tetrahydrocannabidiol, THC, which is illegal in the UK. Does CBD really work for cancer patients? It's still unclear whether it has any anti-cancer effects, Macmillan Cancer Support said. But some scientists have found they can prevent cells from dividing and stop cells from developing new blood vessels, it added. Cancer Research UK's Carolyn Jarity told Express.co.uk, we don't advise patients to use cannabis oil or any alternative therapies to treat cancer. Standard medical treatments for cancer are all evidence-based, so have been tested to see how safe and effective they are. Some natural remedies can interfere with medical treatment, so it's really important that patients speak to their doctor before making any decisions. If you're considering using CBD oil as an additional therapy, you should be aware that buying it online can be risky, said Macmillan Cancer Support. If you buy the oil online, you may not be aware of what you're getting, including how pure it is, the charity said. They could also increase your heart rate or cause dizziness, it added.